Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gurukul India. Today we are going to discuss about more questions and answers related to famous scientists and their inventions. These questions are at most important for competitive examination point of view. So, plug in your earphone and start learning by listening. Please like and subscribe. Your support is the only fuel which keep us motivated. About famous scientists and their inventions. Scientists are driven by constant curiosity and inspired to find truth. Their discoveries have made life easy and also motivated several people. If we talk about scientists like Newton, Galileo, C.V. Raman, etc., their great minds of science touched us and inspired us to achieve more. These questions and answers with explanation will help in the preparation of several entrance examinations. 1. Name the scientist who had discovered that some molecules have mirror images. Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur, 27th December 1822, 28th September 1895, was a French chemist and microbiologist renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination, microbial fermentation, and pasteurization. He discovered that some molecules have mirror images and explained them as left-handed and right-handed versions of a chemical compound. 2. Who is known as the father of plastic surgery? Sushruta. Sushruta or Sushrita was an ancient Indian physician and surgeon known today as the father of surgery and father of plastic surgery or father of brain surgery for inventing and developing surgical procedures. His work on the subject, the Sushruta Sanhita, Sushruta's Compendium, is considered the oldest text in the world on plastic surgery and is highly regarded as one of the great trilogy of Ayurvedic medicine, the Brihatraya, the other two being the Charka Sanhita, which preceded it, and the Astanga Hridaya, which followed it. 3. Who invented the safety brake, which stopped the elevator from crashing? Elisha Otis. Otis invented the safety brake, which would stop the elevator from crashing if it was activated by sudden falling when a rope broke. At the age of 40, while he was cleaning up the factory, he wondered how he could get all the old debris up to the upper levels of the factory. He had heard of hoisting platforms, but these often broke, and he was unwilling to take the risks. He and his sons, who were also tinkerers, designed their own safety elevator and tested it successfully. 4. The father of white revolution is Verghese Kurien. Verghese Kurien was the chief architect who made India the largest milk producer in the world. He also helped in modernizing the Anand model of cooperative dairy development and engineered the white revolution in India. 5. Who built the first working, programmable, electromechanical computer? Konrad Zuse. Konrad Zuse built the world's first program-controlled computer. 22nd June 1910, 18th December 1995, was a German civil engineer, pioneering computer scientist, inventor and businessman. His greatest achievement was the world's first programmable computer. The functional program-controlled Turing-complete Z3 became operational in May 1941. Thanks to this machine and its predecessors, Zuse has often been regarded as the inventor of the modern computer. 6. Who discovered the iridium layer and won Nobel Prize also? Luis Alvarez. Luis Alvarez discovered the iridium layer, and also he had given a theory that dinosaurs were driven to extinction by the aftermath of a large meteorite impact on Earth. In 1968, he won Nobel Prize in Physics. 7. Who is known as the father of neuroscience? Santiago Ramon y Cajal. Santiago Ramon y Cajal was a Spanish neuroscientist, pathologist, and histologist specializing in neuroanatomy and the central nervous system. He and Camillo Golgi received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1906 for physiology or medicine for his neuron doctrine. 8. Who invented coffee filter? Melita Benz. Melita Benz discovered coffee filter by using a piece of blotting paper. 9. Who is the founder of oceanography? Matthew Maury. Matthew Fontaine Maury was an American astronomer, historian, oceanographer, meteorologist, cartographer, author, geologist, educator, and naval officer for the United States and then the Confederacy, also known as the father of oceanography, and in his own lifetime he was called as Pathfinder of the Seas. 10. Who had discovered TB antibiotic streptomycin? Salman Waksman. Salman Abraham Waksman was a Russian Empire-born Jewish-American inventor, biochemist, and microbiologist whose research into the decomposition of organisms that live in soil enabled the discovery of streptomycin and several other antibiotics. He discovered streptomycin and several other antibiotics. 11. Television was invented by J.L. Baird. John Logie Baird, FRSA, was a Scottish inventor, electrical engineer, and innovator who demonstrated the world's first live working television system on 26 January 1926. He went on to invent the first publicly demonstrated color television system and the first viable purely electronic color television picture tube. 12. Electrons were discovered by J. Thomson, 18th December 1856, Cheetham Hill, Manchester, United Kingdom. Sir Joseph John Thomson Ohm PRS was a British physicist and Nobel laureate in physics, credited with the discovery of the electron, the first subatomic particle to be discovered. 13. Air conditioner was discovered by Carrier. Willis Haviland Carrier, born 26 November 1876, Angola, New York, United States, was an American engineer, best known for inventing modern air conditioning. Carrier invented the first electrical air conditioning unit in 1902. 14. Roentgen discovered X-rays. W.C. Roentgen reported the discovery of X-rays in December 1895 after 7 weeks of assiduous work, during which he had studied the properties of this new type of radiation able to go through screens of notable thickness. He named them X-rays to underline the fact that their nature was unknown. 15. Who invented logarithms? John Napier. John Napier of Merchiston, nicknamed Marvellous Merchiston, was a Scottish landowner known as a mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. He was the 8th Laird of Merchiston. His Latinized name was Iwan Snepper. John Napier is best known as the discoverer of logarithms. 16. The theory of evolution was produced by Darwin. Charles Robert Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist, best known for his contributions to the science of evolution. His proposition that all species of life have descended from common ancestors is now widely accepted and considered a fundamental concept in science. 17. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Sir James Chadwick was a British physicist who was awarded the 1935 Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of the neutron in 1932. In 1941, he wrote the final draft of the Maud Report, which inspired the US government to begin serious atomic bomb research efforts. 18. Cinematography was invented by Edison. Thomas Alva Edison was an American inventor and businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices in fields such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording, and motion pictures. 19. Inert gases were discovered by Ramsay. Sir William Ramsay, 2nd October 1852, 23rd July 1916, was a Scottish chemist who discovered the noble gases and received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1904 in recognition of his services in the discovery of the inert gaseous elements in air, along with his collaborator, John William Strutt, 3rd Baron Rayleigh, who received the Nobel Prize in Physics that same year for their discovery of argon. After the two men identified argon, Ramsay investigated other atmospheric gases. His work in isolating argon, helium, neon, krypton, and xenon led to the development of a new section of the periodic table. 20. Who discovered oxygen? Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley, FRS, was an English chemist, natural philosopher, separatist theologian, grammarian, multi-subject educator, and liberal political theorist who published over 150 works. 21. William Harvey discovered circulation of blood. William Harvey, 1st April 1578, 3rd June 1657, was an English physician who made influential contributions in anatomy and physiology. 22. Who designed Suez Canal? Ferdinand de Lesseps. Ferdinand de Lesseps was a French diplomat and later developer of the Suez Canal, which in 1869 joined the Mediterranean and Red Seas, substantially reducing sailing distances and times between Europe and East Asia. 23. Who designed the city Chandigarh? Le Corbusier. Le Corbusier's most celebrated buildings include the Villa Savoy outside Paris, Notre Dame du Haut in Ronchamp, France, and the Unite de Habitation in Marseille. He is also known for his work in urban planning, which included the design of Chandigarh, India, in the 1950s. 24. James Chadwick discovered neutron. Sir James Chadwick was a British physicist who was awarded the 1935 Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of the neutron in 1932. In 1941, he wrote the final draft of the Maud Report, which inspired the US government to begin serious atomic bomb research efforts. 25. Revolver discovered by Samuel Colt. Samuel Colt, 19th July 1814, 10th January 1862 was an American inventor, industrialist, and businessman who established Colt's Patent Firearms Manufacturing Company, now Colt's Manufacturing Company, and made the mass production of revolvers commercially viable. 26. Thermoflask was invented by James Dever. James Dever invented the flask in the course of his cryogenic research. He had been interested in liquid gases for over 10 years, first demonstrating the research of others, performing the first public demonstration in Britain of the liquefaction of oxygen, and then beginning his own investigations. 27. Typewriter was invented by C. L. Sholes. Christopher Latham Sholes, 14th February 1819, 17th February 1890, was an American inventor who invented first typewriter in the United States. 28. Blood circulation was discovered by William Harvey. 29. Streptomycin was invented by Waksman. Selman Abraham Waksman was a Russian Empire-born Jewish-American inventor, biochemist, and microbiologist whose research into the decomposition of organisms that live in soil enabled the discovery of streptomycin and several other antibiotics. 30. Analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage was an English polymath, a mathematician, philosopher, inventor, and mechanical engineer. Babbage originated the concept of a digital programmable computer. Babbage is considered by some to be father of the computer. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more learning.